the Gupta family, as well as all of the staff, are just here with one goal, like, let's just have the best learning environment for their students. Hi, my name's Coach Ed. I teach chess here at Austin Children's Academy, and I've been doing it since 2014, so that's 10 years now. One of my first years working here, I think this is 2015, I had a 2-year and 11-month-old kid who came to my class, and he proceeded to checkmate me in the game of chess. And I was both taken aback and utterly thrilled that such a young, talented kid had just like come up and just grasped the game and was just excited about it that he was able to like do a full checkmate against me. And it's just a great experience whenever I get to be with kids and they get that kind of like aha moment. They're already prepared so much by their own classroom environment that they're just ready to take in whatever activities and lessons I have planned for them. And one of the things I really like about working here at Austin Children's Academy is that it's a family-run company. I love being able to see Sam, Miss Gupta, Estella, Mr. Gupta. Every single day they come, I feel welcome here. It's a very welcoming environment, and being able to work with them, they're like just super supportive of everything that I do. The Gupta family, as well as all of the staff, are just here with one goal, like, let's just have the best learning environment for their students.